Vikings, welcome back to another episode of MVTV.
Hey Vikings, we got some important and exciting dates coming up, so listen closely. This Wednesday, February 18th, we'll be bringing the energy with our spring sports rally and a pep stand during lunchtime. Let's show up big and support our Viking athletes. This Friday, February 20th, marks the end of our first grading period. 7 weeks in, finish strong Vikings. Looking ahead, Viking Spirit Week runs from February 23rd through February 27th, and it's time to show that Viking pride all week long. Monday, February 23rd, kick things off with Purple and Gold Day. Wear your Viking colors loud and proud, and remember, it's also a late start, with staff reporting at 8:25 a.m. and students arriving at 10:10 a.m. Tuesday, February 24th is Freshman Spirit Day. Wednesday, February 25th is Sophomore Spirit Day. Thursday, February 26th is Junior Spirit Day. And Friday, February 27th wraps it all up with Senior Spirit Day. Dress up, show out, and let's make it an unforgettable Spirit Week. One last reminder, prom tickets are still on sale. Make sure you stop by the activities office to purchase your tickets since the last day is March 27th. So don't delay. That's all for me, Vikings. See you guys next time.
Hey Vikings, here are your weekly staff announcements. Our district's winter showcase is happening next Thursday, February 26th from 7 to 9:30 p.m. This time, our very own Viking regiment is hosting it in our gym. All the more reason to come out and show your support for them. The pre-sale tickets are going out for $5 and you'll have to pay an extra $2 if you show up at the door, so get your tickets early. That's it from me this week, Vikings. Stay tuned next time for more important info about the View.
Hello Vikings, in honor of Teen Dating Violence Awareness Month, the Wellness Center is hosting a workshop to help you learn how to recognize red flags, set boundaries, and build respectful connections. Scan the QR code or use the link below to sign up for the workshops. The Boundaries workshop will be February 18th, and the Help with Friend workshop will be on February 20th. Now on to something good.
Something good that happened to me today was that I had 2 subs.
Something good that happened to me today is that I got matcha in the morning.
I got a chicken sandwich.
I got a free lollipop.
That my boyfriend got me a matcha. He got me my favorite matcha, and he also got me a chocolate croissant.
It's Miss Patty's birthday, so happy birthday to her.
Something good. It's my birthday today, and I was just graced with so much love from the students. I got lots of flowers, I got cards, and cake.
What's up, Vikings? Here's your weekly update on sports across the View. First off, on Wednesday, February 18th, varsity baseball will hit the road towards Bassett High School to take on the Olympians at 3:30. At the same time, varsity and JV softball will host the Alhambra Moors here at the softball fields. Next, on Thursday, February 19th, boys volleyball will head to Azusa High School to face the Aztecs at 3:30, with JV up first and varsity to follow. Finally, on Friday, February 20th, varsity softball will travel to Providence High School to face the Pioneers at 3:15. A little later, varsity baseball will again head away, this time to Workman High School to challenge the Lobos at 3:30. At the same time, boys volleyball will bring on the Edgewood Lions here at the gym. As always, let's make sure to go out and show our support for our fellow Viking athletes. Also, make sure to keep an eye out for the VISTA live stream links so you could watch our Vikings from anywhere. That's all for this week, Vikings. See you guys next time.
Hello Vikings, for today's makeup tips, if you're not getting a full makeup look, try adding just a little mascara. It's simple, fast, and really helps your eyes stand out without doing too much. Sometimes the smallest touch makes you feel more awake and confident for the day. And on another note, shout out to everyone who showed up for the district-wide ICE protest. It was powerful seeing so many people come together in support, and to those who wanted to turn it negative, may God bless your hateful hearts. Let's keep choosing respect and unity. But that's it for me, Vikings. I'll see you next time.
Hi Vikings, last week's poll results are 44% do have a Valentine and 50% don't. Sorry to the ones who don't have a Valentine, maybe next year. The new poll for this week is, would you rather only use Instagram for the rest of your life or TikTok for the rest of your life? Vote on our Instagram page at MVHSVista and let us know. I'll see you guys next week.
Hey Vikings, the Spanish quote is, en boca cerrada no entran las moscas, which translates to a closed mouth catches no flies, advertising that it's better to remain silent than to speak foolishly or inappropriately. That's it for me, Vikings. See ya.
Hey Vikings, today's song recommendation is Pity Party by Melanie Martinez.
Did my invitation emotions disappear. What I put my heart on every cursive letter.
This song has some type of recreation from the song It's My Party, which is by Leslie Gore. Pity Party was released in 2015, which was later certified gold in the RIAA in 2016, and Melanie has sold over 500,000 copies. That's all for me this week, Vikings.
Hey Vikings, this week's TV show is Juliana Phantoms. Juliana Phantoms is a musical comedy drama series about a teenage girl who rediscovers her passion for music and with the help of three ghostly bandmates. After her mother's death, Julie Molina, a high school student with a beautiful singing voice, loses her inspirations and stops playing music. One day, she finds an OCD from the 1990s band Sunset Curve. When she plays it, three band members, Luke, Reggie, and Alex, suddenly appear in her garage as ghosts. They died 25 years earlier after eating bad hot dogs. Before their big break, Julie discovers that when they play music together, the boys become visible to everyone. They decide to form a new band, Julie and the Phantoms, and pursue the fame Sunset Curve never got to enjoy. Enjoy the show, Vikings. Bye-bye!
Hi Vikings, today's game is Uncharted. It is an action-adventure video game series developed by Naughty Dog that follows treasure hunter Nathan Drake as he travels across the world in search of lost cities, ancient artifacts, and historical secrets. Blending cinematic storytelling with intense gameplay, the series features climbing, puzzle-solving exploration, and fast-paced gunfights. Each game feels like an interactive movie filled with dramatic set pieces, collapsing buildings, daring escapes, and witty dialogue between characters. Throughout the series, players explore exotic locations such as jungles, deserts, mountains, and hidden ruins, while uncovering the mysteries tied to real-world legends. Uncharted is considered one of PlayStation's most iconic franchises. That's it for me, Vikings.
Hello Vikings, this week's recipe is tiramisu. This dessert is coffee-based with layered coffee-soaked cookies and cream. If you're interested, scan the QR code. That's it for me this week. Enjoy, Vikings.
Hey Vikings, today's movie is Spider-Man No Way Home. It follows Peter Parker after the world finds out he is Spider-Man. His life becomes stressful and people close to him are affected. Peter asks Doctor Strange for help, but things go wrong and villains from other universes appear. Peter must face tough choices, learn what responsibility really means, and protect others even if it costs him something important. That's all for me, Vikings. See you next time. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye!